So it's only just over a month into 2021, but here at DCT UK we have not stopped. We've had so many fitting projects all across the UK. So in this video I'm going to be showing you some of our fitting jobs that we've been doing this month. Let's take a look at our first job. So our first job was a residential project done in someone's home. Now if we look at the befores, Anna had done some classic old laminate flooring and she wanted to make her home a bit more modern and give it that classy chic look. With the help of our sales assistants here at DCT UK, Anna ended up going with the Polyfloor Camiro Georgian Parquet wood and the Milliken Original Collection in Heritage Wood. These two products just made her home that perfect, modern, sophisticated and chic look that she was going for. So this fitting job was done in one day and Anna rated us excellent. Now remember, all our fitting jobs for homes normally do just take one day, so it's not going to take much of your time at all. Now our next fitting job was quite a big fitting job over in an apartment in Birmingham. Now before they had the classic, again, laminate flooring down, but they wanted to move to some carpet tiles. So we supplied them the Modulus First Absolute in shade 809. Now you can see there's a lot of stairs involved in this project, but that's no problem at all for our fitters. The brown carpet tiles gives the apartment more of a cozier feel than the old laminate flooring. Remember, if you want to see the colours or the feel and texture of carpet tiles before you order, then you can just go to dctuk.com and order your free samples on there. It's completely free. All you'll need to do is choose the carpet tiles you want in samples for and add them to your basket.
That's going straight in my basket.
Now our next job took place in a big office building, and again this was completed in just one day. Now this job I've chose the Nouveau Connections, which is one of our cheapest carpet tiles on our website, but it still looks amazing. These offices were over in St Helens and they've used the Nouveau Connections stone grey, smoke grey and black. And if you look at these pictures, you can see that they haven't just used the one colour carpet tile, they've used different colours to create a unique pattern unique to them. Now these carpet tiles remind me of the project that we did over in Liverpool in the Man Island apartments. We created something similar with these carpet tiles and it just gives a really modern vibe. Now looking at these pictures, I don't think that you would think that these are the cheapest carpet tiles on our website, but they really are, and it just shows that mixing a few different colours of the same carpet tiles makes a huge difference in the look and appearance of the flooring once it's down. If you're wanting flooring like this and you're struggling and you don't know where to start, we do have our free design lab service where you can fill out a form and we will create the design for you just like this, and our fitters will know exactly what to do when they get to your project. You just need to go on the dctuk.com website and fill out the design lab form, and then we'll do all the hard work for you. So our next project is actually very similar. They've gone for a similar design and they've also used our cheapest carpet tiles on our website, which is the Nouveau Connections. They've used colours sky blue, sand and black to create that modern vibe that we've seen in the last slide. So you can see that using different colours of the same carpet tile really does make a difference in making the office stand out, or not just office, any workspace. Companies also sometimes like to use matching flooring tiles to match their branding. So this is something we can do as well, incorporate your branding into your floor. So on these pictures you can see that it is a huge space, but again we completed it in one day and they rated us excellent. Now I have saved my favourite project until the last slide. So I'm just going to show you the pictures first and then take a guess what flooring you think it is. Oh, did you guess wood or LVT or something like that?
Duh.
Well, it's not. I was completely shocked to find out that these were the Forbo Flutex Wood Effect Carpet. Yes, carpet planks. Now, can you believe how much this actually looks like wood? I mean, this is the perfect solution for somebody who's wanting the coziness of carpet but wants the look and modern vibe that wood planks give. These wood... See, I said wood again because it looks so much like wood. These carpet planks are in shade antique wood. This project was another residential project. We do fittings for residential and the workplaces, so any fittings you want, we can most probably do. So if you like the look at some of these projects I've shown you today that we've done this month, then don't forget to book your fitting project today on dctuk.com. We have a fitters form that's super easy to fill out. You'll just go on there and it will take literally 5 minutes. After you've filled that form, we'll get back to you with a bespoke quote for you. And then all that's left to do is pick a date that's most convenient to you. Be quick though, because we do get booked up pretty fast. All the quotes we give out are free, so we won't be wasting your time if you decide not to go ahead. So that's it for all of our projects this month, but be sure to tune into our YouTube channel and subscribe for all the latest DCT UK content, as we do put some fitting projects in other videos as well. But that's all for now, so thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.